Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I'd like to start with turning on the composition lines. So let me quickly just set maybe box, it does not really matter. All I wanted to show you are those lines, so the grid lines. I've applied them before the whole restart operation because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, which means that basically this box should disappear. So in order to reset the camera settings, we have to enter the settings in the right upper corner and then scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults. Then simply confirm, tap on done, and as you can see we just got back to the camera and the box is not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera settings and preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.